So, class, this is why we don't start a land war in Asia. All right. So, now let's move on to our breakout rooms. So, go ahead and hang up this call and go into your assigned breakout room in Google Classroom. At this point, you may have to remind a few students to leave this call and go into their assigned breakout rooms. Here's what Google Classroom looks like for you. What your students see is only the breakout rooms to which they were assigned. But from here, I can access each breakout room from one place. I could also go to a document where I have everything listed. So I have my students and the room they're supposed to be in and follow that link to their room. All right. So I'm gonna go to breakout room 3.
Contact all the EL kiddos at the same time, So yeah, so hence the 500 kids.
Hi guys.
Yeah, no, that's
How's it going? Good. So I'm just gonna demo how to mute the tab. So go ahead and keep talking, and I won't be able to hear you on my end. So go ahead.
okay.
So yeah.
All right. So you can probably still hear me. Now, let's take a look at having multiple windows open at the same time. And so here are all of my breakout rooms all at once. And I've muted this tab, I have muted this tab, and I have not muted this tab. So now I'm going to jump into...
You may not have gotten that, but if you go into that article of the week 4, see week 4, 831 to 94.
Yeah.
Okay, so
now I've muted myself here, and I'm going to join this group. Whoops, and my screen's just a little small here, so I have to click there. All right. And now I'm going to join this group.
So I'm just investing now and buying them.
All right. So I was just demonstrating how I am muted on the other breakout rooms, but not this one. So I can watch them, but not hear them, and I can watch you and talk to you guys, because this was my trouble group. Actually, the CTE group was the trouble group. Only Diane, the CTE group, only Diane did what she was supposed to, as per usual. No, I'm just kidding.
Did Dwayne cut class?
He did. He's still in the main session. So. It's a genuine, what happens in a classroom.
Exactly.
So. All right, so I'm gonna mute myself here and mute you for me. Hey everybody, can you hear me? Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. All right. So let's head back to the main room now, okay, and we'll reconvene.